This is the Arpha Video Smart Door Lock. Let's open the box and put it to the test. So this smart lock is a 3-in-1 integration. It's a camera, it's a doorbell, and also a smart lock. The recording video quality is 2K, which is good. It has built-in Wi-Fi, auto lock feature, privacy mode, two-way audio talk, and also anti-peeping password, IP65 waterproofing as well. In the box, we have the installation guide to show you how to install it on the door, a user manual, and also an installation template for the door. Here is the interior module. We have a plastic cover to protect the door. It has a button to lock and unlock the door, and also you can do it manually by hand. We have all the screws for installation. This is the spot to hold the battery. Here is the external module. We have a button to ring the bell. Here is the motion sensor, and this is the camera lens. And we can see the infrared lights right next to the camera. On the top, we have the fingerprint sensor, and at the bottom, we have a speaker, and also the rest of the accessories for the installation, and also the latch for this smart door lock. A USB cable for charging, and here's the chime that you can install indoors to hear the bell. It has a USB interface, but it doesn't have a power brick. And here's the 10,000 milliamp battery for this smart door lock. There's a USB Type-C port for charging this battery, and charging before use is recommended. So this is everything in the box.